There are three major principles you need to understand, and when you apply them, a certain type of woman will start chasing you without you having to do much. She'll be testing first, she'll be showing up, she'll be putting in effort because she sees value in you. Now, before we get into it, let me give you a quick disclaimer. This advice only applies to women who are used to playing games. You know, the type that are flirty but flaky, hot and cold, the type that post thirst trap for attention and validation. This advice is for them. This won't work on a real, genuine woman who wants real, genuine connection. This won't work on women who are emotionally mature and straightforward. So you need to know your audience. But so if you're dealing with the mature kind, good for you. But if you're dealing with these girls who likes playing games, welcome. This message is for you. So let's get into it. Number one, you need to make her feel like being with you is a privilege, not a favor. A lot of guys go into dating with the mindset of, I hope she likes me. I hope I impress her. I hope I'm enough. Bro, that's backwards. The mindset should be, I'm the prize. I know my value. I'm bringing something rare to the table and I'm selective with who I give my energy to. Now, I'm not saying walk around the earth like you are God's gift to the world. No, like calm down, big boy. But you do need to embody the energy of someone, of a man who knows his worth. So think about it like this. When a woman feels like you are doing her a favor by spending time with her, she values it more, right? It's psychology. If she believes, wow, he actually chose to hang out with me today, that triggers her to invest more, right? And here's where the game flips. The more she invests in you emotionally, physically, mentally, the more she wants to protect that investment. So what does this looks like in real life? Don't always jump to hang out with her whenever she's free. No. Calm down. Make her come to your space. You're the king. You don't chase, you summon. We summon. And don't be overly available. Your time should feel exclusive. Even when the bills come, if she invited you and she's testing you with that line, real men always pay line, you need to shut it down right here, right now. That's her playing rules based on outdated expectation. A real man isn't defined by how many dinners he buys. No, he is defined by his standards, by what he allows, by his presence. So you need to make her feel like she's stepping into something high value. Let her know subtly that you are not out here chasing her approval. Once she feels like she's been chosen by someone rare, she will lean in more. Number two, you need to make her afraid of losing you. This is important. You need to make her feel like you're not afraid to walk away. Walking away is your power as a man. Because here's what happens when she thinks that you will always be there no matter what she does. One, she'll start slacking. Two, she'll start testing boundaries. And three, she will lose respect for you. Why? Because if you don't value yourself, she won't either. She won't value you, she won't respect you. If she messes up, disrespect you, or play games and you just let it slide, you are teaching her that she can treat you however she wants and you'll still stay, right, Mr. Nice Guy? You'll still stay, right? Don't be too nice, bro. Don't be that Mr. Nice Guy. That's where most guys mess up. They think that by being understanding or being nice that she will understand. No, she won't. She'll get bored of you, or worse, she will lose attraction completely. You have to check her behavior early and often. You have to check her. Not with anger, not yelling, just straight up honesty. Hey, I don't appreciate that. Hey, that's not how I move. If that's the kind of energy that you're bringing, you don't need to do this anymore. Would you say that's calm? Simple. That alone commands respect. And if she ever hits you with the classic threat, well, maybe I should just leave. Let her go, bro. Just go. You don't beg, you don't plead, just say cool. But just know that if you walk, you don't come back, because I don't recycle excess. You say that's wrong. You say that calmly, with certainty, and it hits different, I can promise you, man. Because now she's the one with something to lose. Now she's questioning if you are serious, and that creates urgency in her mind. It shifts her out of control mode into reflection mode. And now she starts thinking, wait, what? What if he actually leave? What if he find someone else? And that's when she starts chasing you. Because you are a man with when you are a man with self-respect, who's not afraid to lose a woman who doesn't align with you, you become powerful, you become unshakable, you become irresistible. Number 3 now, the last one. You need to remind her that you have options, but subtly. Women, especially the ones who are used to getting attention, they are competitive. Yes, they love the competition, but they won't admit it. They won't admit it, never. They love knowing that the man they are with is wanted by other women. They don't want a man that no other woman looks like. No, they don't want him. But they want the man that gets glances, the man that gets attention, but chooses them. Now, how do you play into that dynamic? Don't become obsessive. Don't worship her, and don't ever make her your entire world. And every now and then remind her subtly that you still see other women, that you're not blind, that you still have eyes too. Let's say that you are walking down the street together and a beautiful woman walks by. You can say something simple like, wow, she has great energy, or she has a great smile, wow. You're not eating on that other woman, right? You're not being disrespectful, no. You're just reminding your girl that you have eyes, that you still notice beauty, that you have awareness. Or let's say that you are out and a woman is staring at you. You can say, yo, why is she looking at me like that? And just let it sit. You are planting the seed, not jealousy, but awareness. Awareness that you have options too, that she's not the only option. Awareness that if she sleeps, that you won't have to look for to find someone else. And what happens is she steps her game up. She starts being more affectionate now, more present, and more intentional with you. Because now it's not just she has you, it's she's earning you every day. And here's the right part. Even though competition sounds toxic, most women love it. They love toxicity. They love a man who's a little bit toxic. They love the idea of being with a man that other women want. It boosts their self-esteem, makes them feel like they won the game. So if you keep yourself sharp, dress well, work on your mindset, stay in shape, stay purpose driven, and You don't give her total control over your attention, bro. She will stay, she will chase you because you are still desirable, you are still in demand, and you are still hard to fully lock down. So look, man, I know it's exhausting out there. Dating feels like a battlefield sometimes, yeah. And it is easy to lose yourself trying to please women who don't even respect what you bring to the table. But it doesn't have to be that way. Start by shifting the frame. Make her feel like you are the one being chosen, not the one doing all the choosing. Make her fear losing you more than you fear losing her. Yes, she has to fear losing you. And remind her kindly, confidently that she is not your only option, that you still have options too. This isn't about games, it's about power, it's about personal power. It's about moving through the world with such a high self worth that only the women who match your energy, your standard, stay in your life. And those that don't, you let them go. Yes, go, bye bye. Because when you stop chasing, the right one will stop, will start showing up. Let her chase, let her earn you, and trust me, she'll respect you more. That's it for this video, and I'll see you. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.